What is the best way to generate real estate investing leads? Vikas Arora says, following are the ways to generate leads in real estate, property sites like 99 Acres and Magic Bricks, etc. Email marketing, SMS, WhatsApp marketing, cold calling, Google AdWords, social media advertisement like Facebook, Instagram, etc. Newspaper advertisement, hoarding and pamphlets distribution, references from existing clients, participation in property carnivals, fairs. Peter Abulzolov says, there are many ways to generate leads in real estate investing. A successful real estate agent is the one who uses a number of different ways at the same time. Here are some of these ways: referrals from other agents, speak with open house visitors, cold calling, door knocking, contact sellers with expired and FSBO listings, search online using real estate websites, such as Zillow, and social media, like Facebook, Twitter, etc. Create your own website or real estate blog. Hope this helped. Cheryl Spengler says, the best way to generate leads is to first decide what your niche in real estate is going to be, even if it's just a geographic location, specifically a community is better. Because, then you can create a FB group around that community, put all your focus into them, post, interview businesses in and around that area, offer video tours of that community online, find out what is around it regarding events and post your group online, and people will flock to you for general information. You will become the guide for that area, leads will come to you. This is just one of the organic ways to attract business fast. Next is to implement an entire organic posting strategy. Again, no money paid out here yet, and you will conquer most agents, who literally have no strategy. They are just reposting the latest HGTV post and getting nowhere. Step 2. Have the ability and set up a landing page where you can direct people to. If your organic posts don't have a CTA, call to action, they will be very useless for you. Step 3. Have the ability to collect the person's email address into a list, then set up auto email campaigns to go out on a weekly basis, one per week, to them until they buy or sell. Thanks for watching our video on what is the best way to generate real estate investing leads.